Sorry, my daughter was calling me. Okay. Okay, that's spicy, Echo. Why not like spicy? Oh yeah, I'm put some of the lime on there. Oh yeah, this is alright. We got the little cucumbers. Everything looks clean. Come with a drink. I'm not sure the price, but I think it was $43. I'm not sure if that was for 1 meal or 2, because my friend paid for it. Yeah, these are that. These right here, they steak. I got the onions and cilantro. I put the little lime on there. And this salsa, oh yeah, this is fire. Oh yeah, I definitely will be back. Yeah, this is on point. Definitely will be going back.